How to turn on or turn off app protection on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. After that, go down and tap on app protection. In here, tap on the turn on button to turn it on, then tap on turn on. After that, you can tap on the scan phone button to scan for any malware, virus, or any threat on the phone. So here it is now scanning through all the apps on your phone. It may take some time. Okay, once it has finished, it will give you a feedback. At the moment, there is no threats found. And if you tap on the more button here and then go into app protection settings, and here you can choose to turn on or turn off auto scan apps daily and auto scan when installing apps. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.